Introducing INSTANDA. We are a fully digital policy administration platform that allows customers to build insurance products, distribute to multiple audiences, and maintain them through the complete insurance lifecycle. With INSTANDA, you can design, rate, underwrite, quote, bind, issue, and service policies for consumers, agents, brokers, and wholesalers. With the unique Flexible Design Center, you can take insurance ideas from design to production in weeks, rather than months or even years. Now that may sound like a claim that every platform makes, but with INSTANDA, it's the norm. Our average deployment timeline is around 3 months from requirements to production. INSTANDA sets itself apart from other generic platforms in 2 main ways. First, you get to decide how it looks and feels. You are not locked into a preset group of rows, columns, and tabs like other platforms. And secondly, configuration of the platform is done in a no-code fashion. Your business resources closest to the customer can design and maintain the platform rather than relying on scarce IT resources competing with other enterprise efforts. At INSTANDA, you get to experience the platform your way. Before we jump behind the scenes to configure insurance products, we want to show you the 3 primary ways that companies experience INSTANDA: through the eyes of a broker, a customer, and an internal user, like an underwriter. To show these different views, let's look at a company called Federated Capital Insurance. They are an experienced insurer that has offered general liability products for many years, but are ready to bolster their broker capabilities by offering a new construction package. At the same time, they also want to expand their reach by offering a direct-to-consumer channel. In this view, a broker is launching a new quote for a construction project. The fields are easily configurable to collect the data needed for the product, and underwriting rules can be applied to any data in the system. Data fields can be configured in a variety of ways. In this example, coverage type is configured as a set of check marks. Reflexive questions can also be added, like this example, with the use of subcontractors. You can create any type of unique business rules, like this quote screen, that lists the price of coverage requested and includes some upsell opportunities by offering 2 other prices with different coverage options. Once a quote is completed, payments can be processed through INSTANDA's payment gateway. The policy is then issued. Now let's take a look at Federal Capital's new channel, the direct-to-consumer experience. This site enables the customer to quickly receive a quote while answering a minimal number of questions. In this example, a carpenter is quoting a new policy. Going directly to FCI's website, they start the process by entering basic information for an initial quote. Hit continue, and the customer answers additional questions, including reflexive questions, as you can see with this example in the use of subcontractors. The customer completes the questions and can see 3 quote options. They can opt to send quotes as an email or choose to bind and pay for their desired option. Now let's take a look at the underwriter experience. Here you can see the underwriter screen, showing a list of active policies and quotes, including any referrals that need to be addressed. The underwriter views of the data can be as individual as underwriters themselves. You get to decide how it looks. With INSTANDA, you can experience underwriting your way. To view a referral, the underwriter clicks on the record, views the referral reason, and chooses to approve or deny based on FCI's underwriting guidelines. After hitting approve, the broker or customer will receive an email communicating the quote is ready to bind. Now that you've seen the flexibility of INSTANDA's front-end capability, let's show how this can all be configured with no coding necessary. A new product often begins on the whiteboard. At INSTANDA, we encourage our clients to begin with the customer in mind. Then, build the process to reflect your desired customer experience. You can translate your products directly from the whiteboard into INSTANDA. The Design Center of INSTANDA is the central location that contains the underwriting question, business rules, rating, calculation, and forms. As a client of INSTANDA, you build insurance products around your workflows, not preconceived processes that other vendors force upon you. Within the INSTANDA Design Center, it is easy to make modification to any question. Go to the Questions tab, select the specific question you want to change, and update it. There are many different question types, such as multiple choice, radio buttons, checkboxes, and more. Now the change is made and reflects on all the new quotes moving forward. Once a product is created, you will see all the underwriting questions developed for the broker or consumer to quote and issue a policy. INSTANDA's powerful rating engine can handle almost any calculation you throw at it. With our Excel-like rating functionality, transitioning classic rating engines from Excel into INSTANDA is a breeze. This is where all the dependencies and business rules will be held, triggering referrals where appropriate. There is no need for additional forms technology. It can all be accomplished within INSTANDA. The Forms tool is a user-friendly experience, much like that of Microsoft Word, where you can upload documents, maintain changes, and generate PDFs that are triggered with business rules. All the configurations shown earlier in this demo created the data that can be placed on these forms. You design the forms in the Forms tool and place the data variables in the appropriate place on the forms. Static forms can also be scanned into INSTANDA for use in the new business process. With INSTANDA, you create and maintain documents your way. Once the product is built, tested, and ready to go, you can design your user or customer experience through INSTANDA's Sites function. Distribute the product to one or many sites, all with the look and feel you want. At INSTANDA, you choose the ultimate customer experience the way you want it. INSTANDA is the only no-code digital platform specifically developed and designed for the insurance industry. That means you get years of industry knowledge and experience coupled with innovative technology. At INSTANDA, we speak insurance, and our platform was created for insurance. INSTANDA not only gives you the power to create your own products, but through our industry knowledge, gives you the right expertise to stand out in the market. So what is your insurance need? Are you repackaging an existing product? Designing a new innovative offering? Creating a new distribution channel? Or just improving your current broker or agent experience? INSTANDA takes the difficulty out of design. Insurance is complicated enough, your platform shouldn't be. Insurance professionals come to INSTANDA for these reasons. We are all cloud-based, nothing to install, no coding required, low cost of ownership compared to other platforms, speed to market. We can handle any product set in a flexible manner, and we are designed to integrate. With INSTANDA, every deployment is tailor-made for you. Are you ready to experience insurance systems your way, not their way? Then you are ready for INSTANDA. We are insurance technology decoded.